Hello everyone. Welcome to the Happily Trade YouTube channel. We're here to help you explore global trade data from 200 plus countries through our advanced portal. Welexo is known as one of the best import-export data providers in the market, offering smart tools like competitor metrics, country insights, graphical analysis. Let's take a quick tour of the Welexo portal. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard showing key details like total exporters, total importers, remaining download points, RDP, saved searches, contact points, and your subscription validity. Next to it, you can also view a price graph based on your selected HSN code. Below that, you'll see two key dashboards, one displaying your last 5 searches and another showing your last 5 downloads. On the left sidebar, you'll find all our major features. 1. Global search shipments. Access worldwide shipment data and explore trade details at a global scale. 2. Competitor metrics. Compare your company's trade data with competitors and gain valuable market insights. 3. Customize your search to get detailed and relevant trade data as per your requirements. 4. Graphical analysis. Visualize trade data through interactive dashboards and charts. 5. Country insights. Get in-depth analysis of any country's import-export trends. 6. Contact request. View all your contact requests made through the portal. 7. Notes. Create and manage your personal notes for easy reference. 8. Billing. Check out our 3 subscription plans, Basic, Plus, and Pro. 9. Contact us. Reach out to our support team for any queries or assistance. 10. FAQs. Explore common questions and answers about using Welexo. 11. Announcements. Stay updated with the latest videos and portal updates. 12. Exchange rate. View real-time exchange rate values directly on the portal. And that's a quick look at Welexo, your gateway to powerful global trade insights. If you haven't yet, visit Welexo.com today and experience the difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates and tutorials. Thank you for watching and welcome to Welexo.